Sorry, I washed this thing this morning and yet.
Our water runs through a limestone bedrock. Leaves hard water stains. Welcome to Tampa.
And how do you know I'm not a local?
Oh, you're just for winter in upstate New York.
Pennsylvania, actually. I'm Samuel Kress.
Oh, I know who you are. You're that businessman. Ybor City, it's first 5 hours.
Yeah, we open tomorrow. But come back at noon, I'll be cutting a ribbon.
I'm not here for candy or cheap ivory soap. I'm actually here to speak with you.
Father, perhaps we get to know each other over one of those coffee lunches I keep hearing so much about.
Oh, yes.
Come now, I'm only in town for the next week, then I'm off to open a new press store in Houston. I need to tour the town, you're a local, yes. Don't tell the others, but you might be pretty slow to look at all.
Yes.
Oh, now you know it's true.
It takes me to stop.
Well, my calendar is empty.
You're that. It says right there that you have an appointment scheduled in 5 minutes.
Do I? R. Martinez of the La Perfecto cigar family. I'll have my secretary meet with them.
Her, actually. Roberta Martinez. I always show early. You know, we're on the streets that you're selling your favorite cigars in the store.
They're popular.
They're made in New York City. You know, Mr. Kress.
Call me Samuel, please.
Mr. Kress, you're not the first foreigner to enter our local campus without threatening our community.
This store is going to elevate your community. Look at the products on these shelves. I've got the best brands from all over the country, and they're fairly priced. I'm doing a service to your people, your neighbors, brothers, sisters, friends, and your husband, perhaps?
I'm married.
Oh, you're right. I'm dressed all wrong for this Florida heat. Now about those coffee leches.
I didn't come here for cafe con leches.
Then what did you come here for?
I came here to screw you.
Are you serious? Oh my god, you're kidding right now. This place is so... Boo!
I'm sorry. Are you booing me? What are you, like 5 years old?
No, I'm 23. Keep doing the play, I'm going live. Hey y'all, I'm in the middle of watching the most disrespectful play. As an Ybor City resident, I am triggered.
Oh, you're triggered? Sorry for the interruption, everyone. This person's triggered.
Sam, can we please keep it together?
She's violating the rules of theater. You tell her to keep it
Can
together.
you both keep it together until we're done with the play?
The depiction of this young Latina character is so problematic.
It's only 10 more minutes.
10 minutes too long.
Wait, do I know her?
Are you a Cuban? Because if you're not, you can't play a Cuban person.
She's definitely a Cuban, right?
Can we please get back to the point where, are you trying to court me, Mr. Kress?
Is your real name Sam? Did you just get hired because you have the same name as your character?
That's not how theater works. I got this job because I do it for very little money. Now where were we?
You're about to quote the mysterious and local Tampanian.
No one says Tampanian.
Everyone says Tampanian.
Wait, did we go to summer camp or something?
We don't know each other. Y'all, this play is romanticizing the original gentrifier of Ybor City.
No, it's not.
Samuel H. Kress is just some rich old white dude who ejaculated his money into the streets and left.
Pit crash.
Seriously, Kress.
And this play is full of lies. I just googled Samuel Kress. It says here Samuel Kress is a businessman, philanthropist, and the founder of the 5 and 10 cent store chain.
All of that is in the play.
It also says he was a former school teacher. Former school teachers don't go around suavely seducing women. Wake up, people!
Do you think I'm suave?
Can we please take it from? I came here to screw you.
God.
Well, lucky me.
Does nobody else think that this is offensive right now? Nobody? Alright, I guess I'm gonna take matters in my own hands.
Oh, what do you want from us?
What do I want? I want to speak to the one-woman propaganda machine who wrote this play.
Oh, she left after the curtain speech.
Tried to check out yesterday.
Then I want you to stop the show. Because it's offensive to us, right? Tell her!
Listen, we're contracted to do 4 shows, and I gotta stay on contract, so.
This isn't about business, Samuel. It's about artistic integrity.
What about cultural and historical integrity?
Look, I need to get paid for this gig. Samuel moved out.
Oh no, not Samuel. There's another Samuel.
My ex and I have the same name, it's not that weird.
Samuel, I'm so sorry about you and Samuel. What do you have to do about the apartment?
I don't know, but every dollar counts right now, even acting stipends.
Just stop doing the play and tell the playwright/director lady you finish it. She'll never know she went down to the yesterday.
This isn't about her, or you, or you. It's about respecting the art of theater. My acting teacher, Gregory Valentine Foster, once told me that the ultimate test of an actor is to, no matter what, make it to the end of the show. One time, Gregory Valentine Foster was in a production of Waiting for Godot, and in Act 1, he absolutely swallowed a whole egg on stage, and he still finished the show.
Was it raw or hard-boiled?
The point is that we need to finish the show. This is kind of a big deal for me.
Yeah, I can see that. I'm sorry, it's just Ybor's story, my city's story, just never gets told correctly. My sister and I are always saying that.
Your sister?
Everyone's so fixated on this narrow and romanticized version of Ybor's past, and if we are talking about the present day, it's always about the crime or the clubs.
I mean, that's true, I'll give her that. Everyone in my high school thought I was crazy for moving here, but I was like, guys, it's awesome. I mean, I can smell the bread baking from La Segunda from my fire escape.
You live in Ybor?
Oh, well, it's left to break my lease. I can't afford this neighborhood without a roommate.
Yeah, actors make like no money, right?
Can I give you some friendly advice? Maybe, instead of blindly defending the factual depiction of your city, you could just shut up for a minute and let yourself be touched by the art that lives here.
Dang, you're right. I'm ready to be touched. Hug me.
Oh, wow.
Here, go get in on this. Come on. Oh, what are you doing?
The initials on the necklace.
What is wrong with you?
M.W.
I knew it. I knew you looked familiar.
You're Mira Wilson. Stephanie's sister. Book Club Stephanie.
Book club, Stephanie.
Book Club Stephanie. The one who's always going off about her sister in the group chat. Her sister, Mira. Mira, who's always crashing in her Ybor City apartment instead of going back to her own apartment in West Chase.
Oh, God!
I don't live in West Chase. I live in Ybor.
Now look who's acting poorly, I may add. You live in West Chase.
I am getting to the bottom of this.
You're not allowed to use your cell phones at the theater. It's rude. I don't know what she's talking about. I don't even have a sister.
I just came across your profile on Instagram. Posted yesterday with Book Club Stephanie. Caption says sisters. See?
Stop looking at that! Social media is fake!
Oh.
Do you live in Ybor?
What does it really mean to live anywhere?
Do you live in
Ybor City?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Like on Friday nights and Saturday nights. In my sister's hammock.
You are a total fraud.
I know, okay? It sucks. I suck. I'm just gonna go before I totally ruin the show.
Door's out.
But now I feel bad.
I don't think we should feel bad. Should we feel bad?
Hey! You wanna go get lunch?
You love lunch.
We like Hotel Haya, don't we, Roberta? Roberta? Come home. Come on! We didn't finish the performance one time. You're still a real actor, and Gregory Valentine Foster is a tool bag.
Fine, just make it abbreviated lunch.
Abbreviated? I have an idea.
Alright. So, pick up where we left off. Because that's not what I came here for.
Then what did you come here for?
I came here to screw you.
Well, lucky, lucky me.
But then I say, not that kind of screw
rude, you oaf!
And then Roberta's character, who's also named Roberta.
She drops this bombshell about how the land that this building actually stands on is owned by her family.
Plot twist!
You fool! This is my family's land. I will do with it what I want.
That can't be true. I signed paperwork.
What do you think is stronger, paper or my father's fist?
There's no need to resort to violence. I'm a wealthy man. Just sell me the land and name your price.
After the way you disrespected my family, I'll rent it to you for 300, quarter of an acre.
But that's so much money! In 1914. It's criminal! You
I'm not done with my terms and conditions. You will sell off the cigars in this store, your new store in Houston, and in all your stores nationwide.
But please, I'm not a bad guy. I'm
a businessman? Well, so am I.
I'm more than that. I'm an art lover, a curator. Look at the detailed design on the awning, the Art Deco ornamentation, the Greco-Roman tiles, this sign! All of it carefully chosen by me. I love every brick of this building. This place is more than a business, it's a work of art!
Maybe one day, I'll terminate your lease and turn this place into an art gallery. But until then, do we have a deal?
My character, feeling utterly screwed, watches her walk off. He wonders, what the heck just happened? Like, did he imagine all of this? And the audience, they're left to wonder...
Was this real, or was it fiction?
Is this Roberta Martinez, the La Perfecta cigar factory heiress?
Or was it Roberta Martinez, immortal art witch of Ybor City?
Samuel Kress looks back at his sign and contemplates his historical legacy and uncertain future!
And that's how the plan is.
Yeah, I did not see it going in that direction. If you need help with your rent, maybe me and Roberta can move in with you.
Oh, we will talk about that at lunch.
Okay, and then we all take a bow, repeat please.